Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out for a nice little ride. I know I've been missing in action for some time now, but my son got married and I haven't been riding. I stayed off the bike for a while, but he got married mid-May. It's the last day of May today. So I'm back on the bike, getting back into the swing of things. Hopefully I'll have a lot more content coming your way. In this video, I just wanted to say thank you everybody for liking and subscribing my videos. I wanted to do a video to celebrate 4,000 subscribers, and I'm just getting to it now, and I have over 4,100, and I want to say thank you very much. My channel has been overall doing very well, and I haven't had a lot of content lately. As I said to you earlier, if I don't have something good to do, I hate to do it. I don't want to just put junk out there. So I know my vlogs do okay. They don't do the greatest, but I'm doing a vlog, tell you what's going on. I'm really hoping to be able to get some part installs or do something good for the bike. You know, do some reviews, a couple things I want to get. I'm still out there looking for another bike. It's been terrible. I can't find anything that needs to be rebuilt, you know, isn't running. I'm really looking for an older Enduro. I want to rebuild one of those so bad. But I'll keep looking, I'll find something. If anybody knows anybody in Connecticut looking to sell a bike, an old Enduro, let me know. But man, it's been crazy. I'm sure my son's new father-in-law is out riding in his Corvette. That's a beautiful car. If you didn't see that video I did driving him to pick that up at the Chevy dealer in New Hampshire that specializes in Corvettes. What a crazy place that was. I'll leave a link and a banner in the video. You go up and check that out. That video was really good. It's done really well. That car is amazing. And like I said, I haven't been riding because of the wet, so the bike's been sitting there. I've wanted to go out for a ride, but I haven't. Then they got married. Another week and a half went by. I didn't go out. But then on Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day, I said I'm going for a ride. So I got on the bike. Now I've gone riding every night since then. Once I got back on the bike, now I can't get off the bike. I love it. It's like, it's such great therapy. But when you're not riding, you don't realize how much you miss it until you start riding again, and then you're like, oh my God, I gotta do this more often. So that's my story. So hopefully I have some more good stuff coming up you guys might like. And along with the thank you to all the 4,000 subscribers, there is one guy that since I've started my channel, I love watching his channel. He puts out steady content all the time. If you have not subscribed to Tim Finning, go over, check him out, check his channel out. Good guy, very interesting rides. He's over in Australia. So yeah, go check out Tim Finning. I think I'm about to go and get my fix on an iced coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. Yay! It's Friday, time to enjoy the weekend. Gonna have a good time. Try to relax. Work sucks, you know. Same for everybody though. We all got the same bullshit. I'm sorry. We all got the same bull. Alright, yeah, it's bullshit. So, alright. Until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.